Okay, so I wanted to create a quick video to kind of show you guys what the rest of the semester is going to look like using Google Classroom for psychology. So if you go into our Psychology Google Classroom, which I need to go to, you will see that I added my Miss Madoran Zoom link. So this is where you will go to enter into our Zoom class every Monday from 10:40 to 11:10 a.m. And this Zoom link stays the same. So you'll just click on the Zoom link and that's where you will go to get into the class. Please read through the directions. And when you enter into the class, you'll enter into a waiting room and then I will add you in. And then your sound and your video will be off. You can turn those on, but I'm asking for you to keep your sound turned off unless you're planning to comment or ask a question, because that reduces background noise. Okay. You can see I've posted my office hours, which are on Wednesdays from 10:40 to 11:10 a.m. You'll use the same Zoom link to come talk to me during my office hours. But if you have questions or need help at other times besides just Wednesdays from 10:40 to 11:10, shoot me an email and we will get it figured out. Okay. So how we're going to do this the rest of the semester, I'm going to create modules, but weekly modules. So you can see here is this coming week, today, the 30th through Friday the 3rd. But the assignments that I added in, I'm giving you until Sunday night at 11:59 to get most of your work done. However, you guys need to remember that you still have to meet the due dates in Learning Zone for Hutch. So like here you can see the Hutch Chapter 10 discussion. That is due on the 1st, which is Wednesday by 11:59. So you still have to be meeting those due dates and getting your work done in Learning Zone. So for this week, you have the Chapter 10 that you need to read in your textbook. I added the Chapter 10 PowerPoint. You need to review through that. You need to get your discussion done in Learning Zone by Wednesday. I added a couple of videos, crash course psychology videos that goes over motivation and emotion. And then there is a few questions to answer that are related to the video. You have the HCC Chapter 10 quiz, which is due Sunday. You need to get that done in Learning Zone. And then I also added the motivation and emotion music project, which I really scaled that down. Normally in class we would do more than what I'm asking you, and we will talk about that during our Zoom meeting today. So that's what this week looks like, and I look forward to seeing you guys. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, I will see you during our Zoom meeting.